Good afternoon from Sapa, Vietnam, guys. So as the weather today is beautiful, that's the reason why I'll be walking for about 4 kilometers today, and along the way I'll be taking some photos of the place with this camera. And if you guys are interested about the place in here, I will definitely send it to you. Just drop a like, a comment, and I'll send it to you. And here I am at the most beautiful village in Sapa, Vietnam. So the name of this village, it is Lao Chai and Ta. Okay, stick with me until the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I am not a full-time photographer, but I'm a local guide in Sapa, and I know the best corner to take photo, guys. So trust me, this is the best time to visit Sapa. It is a monsoon season. However, the beautiful view of rice field terraces crop up just last week, so you see everything is green right now. So I often take the tourists here to this village because it's a home to the Black Hmong people, where we can see both the beautiful view and also the local people living in this region. So that makes this place so special. So there's a lady working on the field over there. Hello, how's it going? Can I take a photo of you? Some of the tourists are on the way to go and stay overnight in the village. So in here, we also have to concern about the landslides when it comes to monsoon season. Yeah, but it's only rains in the nighttime, not in the daytime. So ahead of us is the most interesting place that most of tourists normally stop by, take photo. I'm gonna take a few over there. So forgive me if my photo doesn't look good, because photo doesn't do it justice. This is a place I mentioned earlier. Look at this background. So, you know, down there it is 𝐂𝐈𝐓𝐇 village. So when tourists asking me where is the best time, where's the most beautiful village, it's very hard for me to explain, because actually each of the villages will have a different feeling and also have a different view, different people, different religions also. Well, I need to go up here in order to have the best photo. Okay, so Sapa not always will have this beautiful view. Well, you might not believe this is Sapa during the monsoon season. The one season that most of tourists decided not to go, because this one is, you know, Vietnam. It's a tropical country. So in this time of the year, normally the country often got hit by the typhoon. That's one of the reasons why tourists normally don't want to go. And yeah, so if you miss this time in Sapa, you can just drop a comment and I'll send you the photo that I take. Okay, I'm not a professional in this field. I'm a local guide, but I am happy to help. So check this out. Okay, so I'm gonna take more videos. I know, not videos, but I'm gonna take more photo in this one. Okay. So remember, this is 𝐂𝐓𝐇 travel vlog, local guide in Sapa. The weather is a little bit cool down now, It is at 4 p.m. right now, and yeah, the weather is getting better, a little bit cool down, so I really like it because just now the sun shine really hard and it's very warm for me. Yeah. So if you're first time here, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to your channel, and I really appreciate it. And if you want more videos in the future, don't forget to turn on a notification. And I'm here to make videos about local people and yeah, help the tourists to visit Sapa safely, conveniently. Yep. And one more thing, I'm gonna give you a free album that I take for today. So if you like it, don't forget to drop a comment. I'll send it to you. Yeah, I reckon that it's time to say goodbye for now. And yeah, 4 kilometers for today is already finished. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.